What's the meaning of Amerindian? Amerindian. 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 Amerindian.
Amerindian is a term used to refer to the indigenous peoples of the Americas. The term is a portmanteau of American Indian. Amerindian populations are diverse, with over 500 different recognized tribes throughout North and South America. These populations have a rich cultural heritage that includes unique languages, traditions, and spiritual practices. Sadly, many Amerindian populations have faced significant oppression and displacement throughout history, resulting in ongoing struggles for land rights and cultural preservation. Despite these challenges, Amerindian cultures continue to thrive and contribute to the diversity of the Americas.